In this video, we're going to review how to host, install, register, and authenticate the server-side plugin for the FMBooks Connector Online Edition plugin. Every server-side license comes with a free copy of the single user, also known as the client license, for development and authentication purposes. All development needs to be done at the client level. Your client plugin is located in your bundle. In this video, we're going to assume you have already downloaded the plugin and ran the installer. Please see our other videos for instructions on how to do this. In your bundle, you will have an extras folder, and in your extras folder, you're going to see two different demo files, the client and the server side. Upon opening, you will be prompted with a message saying that this demo file is designed to demonstrate the functionality of the FMBooks Connector Online server-side plugin. It also states that the demo is not currently hosted. Before using the plugin, you will need to upload the server-side demo file to FileMaker Server. This will host it, so click OK. In order to host the file, you need to have access to an account on the server that can host databases. You either have to be an admin or part of an admin group. To host the file, come up here to File, go to Sharing, and Upload to FileMaker Server. This is a security setting of FileMaker Server 15. For more information on this, please check out the FileMaker Server 15 documentation. For this video, we're just going to go ahead and ignore this message. And then we'll go ahead and click OK. This is just telling us that it's going to close it. And then what you need to do is go ahead and log into the server that you want to host it on. This screen is telling you that your file is ready to be uploaded, so just click Upload, and your file is being processed. And then it's done. Your file was successfully uploaded, so you're going to go ahead and open it with FileMaker Pro. Click Done. Over here, you're going to see the client plugin info on the left. Your plugin was installed on your desktop when you ran the installer package. In order to install the plugin on the server, you would come over here and click Install Server Plugin. And when doing this, you might get an error such as either 3, 1550, or 1551. If this happens, there are a couple settings that need to be set in your admin console in order to install the plugin successfully. When you log into your admin console, go to Database Server, and then go to the Server Plugins tab. Make sure that both of these items right here are checked. So enable FileMaker Script Engine to use plugins, and allow Install Plugin File Script Steps to install, update, and load server plugins. Then you're going to come down and click Save. And then we'll go ahead and click Install Server Plugin. And our plugin has successfully installed on the server. After we've installed the plugin, we can come over here and put in our license ID, or if you're just using it for demo purposes, you can just go ahead and use the demo license. We're then going to come over here and click Test Server Registration. This makes a call to the server and returns an audit entry confirming our registration. So our plugin has successfully registered to the server, and over here is the audit log telling us what we just did. This Check Server button returns the version of the plugin that is installed on the server. If the plugin is not installed or there was an error in registration, it will return a question mark. Otherwise, it will return the server version. As you can see, we have 2010 on the server. If you intend to use the plugin via WebDirect, please know that the plugin has to be installed in two places on the server. Additionally, in the server console, we need to come down here and go to Web Publishing. Then we need to go to General Settings, and we need to make sure that we've clicked Enable Web Publishing to use plugins and allow Install Plugin File Script Step to install, update, and load the plugins for web publishing. We'll go ahead and click Save, Save and Restart. Now that the appropriate permissions are in place, we can access the demo file via WebDirect. So we'll come over here to our WebDirect Setup tab, and we're going to go ahead and click Open in WebDirect. Now that we're in WebDirect, we need to go ahead and click Install Server Plugin, and it's going to tell us that we have successfully installed the plugin on the server. This ensures that the plugin will be loaded into the appropriate locations for WebDirect use. Before we can begin to push and pull data, we need the client plugin to create a session ticket with QuickBooks Online. To do that, we come down here and click Begin Session, and it's going to prompt us to log into our QuickBooks Online account. This is asking us if we'd like to authorize the sharing of our data between FMBooks Online and Intuit. Click Authorize. It says our authentication was successful. If you're on a Windows machine, you will need to copy and paste a session ticket from that web page to a pop-up in FileMaker. This is covered in other videos, but since we're using a Mac, our session ticket was automatically populated in the plugin. This is the session ticket info over here. This is so that we can actually talk to the server. If you ever need to start over or renew your session ticket, you can just go ahead and click Clear and it will reset the session. Please make sure that you check out our other videos that review the basic push and pull functionality that you see on these tabs. Those videos are done in the client demo file, but the only difference between using these functions in the server-side demo file is that the server is doing all of the work. Thank you for watching.